over some food. It's kind of weird.
Some food?
Yeah.
Just because it can't expire doesn't mean it's
Did you
food.
push record?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Careful now. That dog is getting on the table. Layla, get down!
Asher, don't. Come on. You're gonna
Idiot. That
You're gonna
dumb
miss
dog.
it. He's opening it.
She's literally on the table.
At least Wayo got a good.
Hey, pull the chairs out.
Daddy.
At least Wayo got a good.
Asher, Daddy.
Yeah, I guess.
Daddy's at the
What a
open.
jerk puppy.
What is that? What's this? So I don't see how much money it was or something. You just keep that. I thought you just kept that giant knife in your pocket. I was like,
You might have to use it again and cut it open again.
Packing peanuts.
Wait. Let Daddy do it.
Wait.
Don't say anything either.
Wait.
Don't say anything.
Why?
I don't think they know anyway.
Just
I think it's a pillow or something. What's it? What is it? Do you know what it is,
you
Asher?
gotta do it.
You know what it is?
No.
Oh, you're right. There's tape on it.
They taped it up really good.
Yeah.
You may have to rip through the back.
Can you give me scissors real quick?
What is it? Can you just tell us?
We're about to see it.
What I just want.
You're gonna know here in a second.
Is it actually?
Never mind. I got it.
Is it a potato?
I
Don't
got
hold it like that, you mean
Yeah,
it?
it's a potato.
It's a potato.
It's a potato. A perishable potato.
They can perish.
Yeah, I know.
Why do they need to tape it up so much?
So whatever it is doesn't fall out. But you do have to back away your big head, Brett, so I can see his face. Thank you.
What is it? That's what it is, Sarah. What is it? Let me
This is
see.
not small.
It's not?
Is it huge? Is it a Mountain Dew can? That's what it looks like.
Ready?
Okay.
Ready?
Ready? How was it alive in that thing, Eva? You got a turtle?
Careful, careful.
He will walk off of that.
We got a turtle?
It's the best present ever.
Is it better than Poppy?
It's a Russian tortoise.
Oh.
It's the best.
Oh, he might be. Hey, you guys gotta wash your hands first. Before and after you touch them.
Do you have the supplies for it?
We might actually have to go get some right now because
Go.
the
Take a look at his little face.
If Wayo would probably.
She's so excited.
and he looks scared and he does not look like a baby at all.
No, it's pretty big. I know it's pictured
What are we
something
gonna
like
name it?
that.
What are we gonna name it? What are we gonna name it? Tortoise Johnson?
No.
Do you want me to keep recording?
Is it gonna move?
name it.
No, you can stop.
I'm
We'll
gonna
record
name
it
it
once.
Torty.
You can stop.
Is it me?
He's out.